Hey guys, I'm Kevin and welcome back to the second part of this 5-part series where we'll be learning how to build an OAuth to actions-based GPT. In the first part, we learned that GPTs are customized version of ChatGPT specialized for a specific purpose. We looked at different types of GPTs ranging from static content to general actions augmented GPTs to OAuth to actions-based GPT. In this session, we will cover a product walkthrough of a real-life GPT for tracking your expenses. Later in this series, we will learn how to build this GPT from scratch. So let's go over my motivation in building this GPT. So when I was a kid, my dad used to give me pocket money, and I used to ask my dad for more pocket money. My dad said, "Sure, I can give you more pocket money if you can track the expenses and show me where you are spending the money." So I kept a diary in which I wrote my expenses and kept track of the balance amount, something like this. Every month we used to review my spending and my dad used to provide me with the money needed. So this GPT will be replacement for that diary and will help the kid version of me with managing the diary and keep track of how much money is there in my wallet. So let's go and have a product walkthrough. Okay, we are gonna log into ChatGPT. This is a ChatGPT interface. And here's a look at the wallet tracking GPT for expense management. Let's try tapping on this first thing, like what's my current wallet balance. So this is the first time that I'm interacting with this thing. I have reset my stuff, so it is the first time I'm interacting with this GPT, and hence it is asking me to sign in with this GPT. So let's go ahead. In our case, we are using signing with Google, and that is why I have integrated with sign with Google, and it is presenting me with the Google accounts that I'm already signed in. If you want, you can use another Google account, but I'm going to test one of my testing account here. And now, once GPT knows who you are, it will start executing the function to know to get the wallet balance here. So I'm saying always allow. And it says like, yeah, your current wallet balance is 0.00 as expected. Now let me try adding some stuff here. So I will say confirm. Now let us ask what is my current balance again. This time it should say it has $100. Cool. Now let's say like I spent I'm starting adding some of the expenses, and because it's the first time I'm talking to this endpoint, so it will again pop you up. But if I ask the same endpoint again, like the same exercise of adding an expense again, it should have not popped me, but yeah, let's see. So that got added. Now I'm gonna add some more stuff. Let me see if I can edit my privacy settings. Here it is ask, and that is why it is. I think if I change to always allow, it might work. So now if I ask again, so I have added a lot of expenses here, and now let me ask what is my current wallet balance, and sure, it is giving me kind of correct answer. Let us check so what all my transactions are in order to validate that it is correct. So you see now it is not asking me again to confirm because I had to change that setting. So yeah, it is 100 minus 20 will be 80, and then 5.75 will be 74.25. So it looks correct. All of these are the transactions, and yeah, this is what we will be building going forward. So yeah, thanks. That's all for now. And in the next session, we will start with technical implementation. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Thanks.